And I already tell you that what is the benefit of this module. The complexity access will start working like this. Like you can set headers, security headers. You can enable and disable IP through AT access. That was not before this with OpenLightSpeed. And this module is very easy. This is a very big thing that many people need, the access control and the security headers you can do. And custom error pages are, you people can understand that custom error pages is one of the most beneficial thing that you can do from the AT access rules. So done for now. If you need any help with the installation, if you face any issue in the installation, you can contact us on our official support channel.